Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A79, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and then swipe down to power it off. Now once the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. After a moment, you should see the OPPO logo on the screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down for the remainder of the time till we see the recovery mode. Well, I guess we first get to see the language selection, but this is basically the same thing. So once you see this, you can let go, and from here, simply tap on your desired language. For me, that's going to be English. And here we are presented with the three different options that we can utilize in recovery mode. So we have format data, which I believe only includes actual format. There is no wipe cache partition in here, but I'm gonna check quickly. Yep, so it's just a format data, no wipe cache. Then we have reboot or power off, which are just two different ways of leaving this mode. So I'm gonna select the middle one and confirm it. And this will now boot me back up into Android. Now, as you can see, the device is now back on. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.